Okay, the first of our two assignments today is called Hidden Message, and we're adding and subtracting decimals. Okay, so when we add and subtract decimals, obviously I don't like using a subtraction. So we're going to look at number 2. The first thing I'm going to do is add the opposite. So if I turn this into addition, this is going to become -9 3/100. So when you look at +7 2/10 and -9 3/100, which number has the greater value when you don't pay attention to the positive or the negative? The 7 2/10 or the 9 3/100? Is it positive or negative? Negative. If you have one of each, the positive or a negative, the one that's greater, in other words, in this case, the negative, the answer will be negative. Now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the small from the large. So we're going to take 9 3/100, and we always say and where the decimal point goes, and we're going to subtract 7 2/10. And like we did on our board work last time, we're just going to put a 0 at the end so we have everything lined up, and we're going to subtract. So 3 with nothing from it is 3, and look, we have a 0 on top, so we need to borrow from 9. So we're going to turn that 9 into an 8 and that 0 into a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Remember, we've already determined the sign is a negative. So this becomes 1 83/100. And the way we solve the puzzle is we find it somewhere in the puzzle in order. So we're going to find 1 negative 1 83/100 and shade it in. Does that make sense? Good.